Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I am so excited because my JB Stylebox is here. We're gonna get into this. My stylist Carol is amazing. She is so quick to get my boxes out on schedule, so I get them once a month, and she is on it, on it right away. So I can't wait to dig into this. JB Stylebox is a subscription styling service through the store JB and Me, which is a single store in Holland, Michigan. And you may get a boxes as frequently or infrequently as you like. You do get a dedicated stylist, like Carol is my stylist. She has been for quite some time now. She works so hard to learn my style. She'll send items that she suggests, like, hey, how do you like this? She'll send me pictures. I can get them included in my next box, or she'll just send them to me. But it truly is a great partnership to help to build your style. Here's what I see when I open up my box here. Check out the fun, pretty paper. Always looks like a little gifts. You do get a pricing sheet, as well as a return label. So you just put everything back in the box that you don't want to keep and send it back. You have 5 days to try everything on. And there is usually, a little card in here as well on top that tells you what you need to do once the box arrives. But basically, you have 5 days, and then you'll email your stylist to let them know what you want to keep. Your $20 styling fee will be applied to anything over $50 or more, and you can use the shipping label provided for anything that didn't work. If you keep 3 items or more, the return shipping is waived. Otherwise, return shipping will be charged at checkout. So just keep those things in mind. As I mentioned, they are a small business, so they do it a little bit differently than the larger subscription services. Let's dig into my bundles. First bundle. This is such pretty paper, and they always have matching ribbon to go with it. Okay, let's see what this is. And Carol always does an amazing job when she does my boxes. Like, I always find something. All right, so this is the Free People little tank. I think this is called like the Love Tank or something. Does it tell me? No. Anyway, here's what it looks like. It's got lots of stretch. It's in this pretty green color with lots of stretch. And it looks like she's matching it with this Marley pullover. It's the Davidson Sweatshirt. It's a pretty color in that green. I like that. Typically, you will get pictures of your items paired into outfits for you. She did let me know in email that she was having some health issues, so she was not able to take the pictures for me, but she had bundled everything into outfits. So I hope she is doing better. If she's watching, sending all kinds of prayers and good thoughts her way. We're hoping she gets a full recovery. Here's the next box. And then she was so sweet to be worried about my box. So, all right, so we have a Steve Madden. This is called the Porter Top. A little short sleeve button down. All right. And then a Z Supply Heritage Knit Jacket. Oh, that's adorable. I love this. Check that out. Little zipper, the pockets. Has the little pleats in the back here. Check that out. You see that little? Can you see the little? Yeah, I think you can see the little pleat. There's one on each side. I love this. Feels like their all day knit collection, and I love that collection. And then this is the Donny rolled hem boyfriend. Oh, I love these. I actually requested these in my, I think it was in my trend send too. So I'm so glad to get to try these. They are a rolled hem boyfriend. They are new. And I'm so excited. It's like she reads my mind sometimes. She really does, because I don't ever tell her what to send me. It's very rare, I should say. I shouldn't say never. It's very rare. I just let her style me because she does such a great job. All right, the final bundle. Okay, so we have Aster the label. This is called the Tawni Cardigan. And it is like pitch black at my house, so hopefully the lighting is going to be okay. I'm doing this in the evening because this is when I had time, and I just couldn't wait to dig into the box. So that's pretty, very stretchy. Has the little pinstripes going through there that make it look like a wider stripe. Next up is something from Cut. This is the Lainey Zip Front Bomber. I'm loving the greens. That's adorable. It has like the little rolled hem. And it's kind of like, almost like colorless, right? It's cute. Oh, and then she sent me these Liverpool. These look cute. These are the Marley crop front pocket. I like those pockets. Here's the little cuff. Oh yeah, that's cute. All right, I think that's everything. Can't wait to get to this try on. When I signed up, there were two options. You could choose to get like 3 or 4 items in your box, or you could choose to get 6 or 7. I chose the 6 or 7. They may still be doing that. So if you don't need this much each month, you'd like to get less, you can certainly ask and kind of have them adjust appropriate for what you need for your lifestyle as well as what your budget is. All right, we're gonna go try these things on. All right, so first outfit was it's called Love Letter. So this is the Love Letter tank by Free People, the Pistola Boyfriend Denim. I love these. They're hitting me right at my ankle bone. I have a little bit of room. They fit through the hip and thigh. They don't feel too tight or like they're pulling. I like the color wash. I should say the wash color, I guess. This is a cute little tank. It's a squared off tank. It's very, very stretchy. I have this in a couple of other colors. I think they keep adding the colors to their collection. And then she paired this little pullover with it. You could always add it, like if it's going to be warm out, you could always add it over top, which I think is super cute. All right? Or we can put it on. So this is very, very soft, very comfortable. Has a little zip here. You could always zip it up. I really like it. It's not touching my neck. I just flipped the bottom so to make it look like a little blousey. But you could wear it the traditional way as well. And here's what that looks like, the banded bottom. I like this. This is an elevated casual outfit that you could wear for all the things. So the Love Letter tank top. I'm wearing an extra small, $38 is the regular price, but one of my amazing subscribers used my referral, so I'm getting 20% off anything I keep from this box, which would take the price down to $30.40. If you use my referral, and all you have to do is give them my name or my channel name, they will know. They will take 20% of anything you keep in your first box, and I get 20% of anything I keep in my next box. So please do use my referrals, hit those likes, hit those subscribe, share with your friends. It's the only way that I keep on going on this channel. So a huge thank you to anyone and everyone who has used any of my referrals. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For the Donny Rolled Hem Boyfriend, I'm wearing a 25. I'm surprised, my normal size is a 26. And they are $188. With the 20% off, they'd be $150.40. Then for this little popover by Marley, it's called the Davidson Sweatshirt. I'm wearing an extra small, $138, and my price with the discount would be $110.40. I don't think I have a problem getting to the 3 or 4 items to get free shipping back. Let's keep going. Next outfit, same pants. I left the jeans on, and now I have on the little button down as well as the knit jacket. So I'm in love with this knit jacket. It is adorable. It's kind of cropped. It's sitting right at the waistband of my pants. It does have the bigger pockets, zip front, and with those little pleats in the back. Hopefully you guys can see those. So I'm enjoying this. It's that nice knit with a little terry on the inside. It'd be great for travel, great for just all day wear, great for sightseeing. Super pretty jacket. And it's a neutral, so it's going to go with everything. And it's Z Supply, and I love Z Supply. So this was a great ad. I think it would pair back also to the green tank. nicely. Okay, and then the button down. So I don't dislike it. I kind of enjoy the little peplum bottom with all the pleats. But this one is a little too small for me. It's pulling a little bit right here. But it's a cute little top. It does have pattern going through it. Hopefully you can see that. Nice way to like just dress up jeans. Be really cute with a skirt. So for the porter top, I'm wearing an extra small, $69. My price would be $55.20. And then for the heritage knit jacket, I had on an extra small. The color was oyster, $140. My price would be $112 if I decide to keep it. What do you think so far? All right, so now I move on to the Liverpool jeans and this little top, which I think, was it by Astor? I'll check it again for you all. So this one is the little stripe. It's got a lot of stretch to it. I had a black tank on to kick off this video, so I put it back on so we can open it as well. But I did a couple buttons at the top, a couple at the bottom. It does hit very high in the neck, so I'm aware of that. The pants are cute. They are a true crop, so they're hitting me pretty high. I'm 5'5" for reference, and they're a couple inches above my knee, so they are a true crop. They have some stretch to them. They do sit a little bit lower, so my belly button is up here. They are sitting lower on the hip, which makes them a little bit tighter because they're not at my natural waist. But these are my normal size, which is a 226. So I think I like them. I just have to decide, and they do have stretch in them, so I have to decide if they would stretch out a little bit and be comfortable. So I might just wear these for just a little bit to see how that goes. All right, so I do like it open. This opens up the neck for me. It's a nice weight. You could wear fun colors underneath here. It would be really pretty, like for Valentine's Day with red or pink, or any day. So I do like it open. And then the last is the jacket. So she had the jacket paired with this outfit. We'll try it over the sweater, and we will try it without the sweater. How about that? So this is a nice weight. It is lined. This is definitely a transitional piece. So perfect for the in-between weather, right? We're in the in-between months now. I'm trying to get one button buttoned here for you. These are tiny little buttons. There we go. Kind of like it with the black and white. Has side pockets. I'm enjoying the neck. Kind of open, has a little bit of those pleats here. Here's the back. Has a little elastic, kind of like that bubble back. This is cute. If we were to zipper it, it's cute, right? Let's see if I can find my pocket here. And here's what it looks like by itself. Yeah. All right, so for the Marley crop front pocket detail by Liverpool, $109. My price would be $87.20. For the Tawni Cardigan in black and white, that was a small I had on, $109. My price would be $87.20. And then for this jacket, which is the Lainey zip front bomber jacket, I'm wearing an extra small, $109, and my price would be $87.20. So all of them were the same price. For all of my items, which I believe I have 8 here, yes, $900, I get 20% off. That would be the $720 if I kept everything. All right, so here's where I'm leaning right now. I do like this jacket. I think this will be nice as we head into the warmer weather, which I'm very much looking forward to. I do enjoy these jeans. I have to think about them. If I had to pick between this pair or the other pair, I would pick the other pair, but I do like them, so I'm going to see how they feel on after a little bit. I like this cardigan so much more open or just with the 1 or 2 in the middle. So if I were to keep this, which it's a really nice weight, it is by Astor, so I got that right. Great basic, and I love a crisp black and white. there's so much you can do with it. So I do like it. As I mentioned, definitely to the Pistola. I'm thinking no to the button down. I enjoyed it, but I don't think it's something I would grab for. Loved the all day knit. This was adorable. I did like this little tank top, and it was at a reasonable price. And then we have this Marley, which is just a warm cozy. I do like it. I actually own this. I got it in a Stitch Fix in the brown, and I've already worn it and love it. So this green is kind of fun. I just have to decide if I want a second one in my wardrobe. But it is a great little popover. So I am thinking about it. So I definitely do have at least 3, probably more items. Can't wait to hear what you think. So please do comment down below. What do you think I should keep? I will list all the items down below in case you'd like to request them from your stylist, as well as the reminder, if you want to give this service a try, please just give them my name or my channel name, and you'll be able to get 20% that you keep from your first box. Comment down below, hit that like, subscribe, swipe to hype. Can't wait to hear what you thought, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.